In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate or animate images using the Grok app. This step-by-step guide will help you transform your creative ideas into stunning visualizations. Whether you're looking to create still images or bring them to life with animation, the process is simple and accessible to everyone. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, move your cursor to the search bar and type in Grok. This will help us locate the official Grok website, which is our primary tool for this task. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official site to gain access to the best features and avoid any imitations. After typing Grok in the search bar, you should see a list of search results. Look for the one that clearly indicates it's the official website for Grok and click on it. This will direct you to the app's homepage, where the magic truly begins. With the Grok website in front of you, it's time to let your imagination take flight. For our demonstration today, we're going to create a fantasy action scene featuring none other than Barack Obama and Keanu Reeves. Picture this: both wearing enchanted armor, valiantly fighting fierce shadow creatures on a breathtaking floating island. We're adding another layer of excitement by animating sparks flying from their swords. This is going to be an epic image. To set this in motion, we'll need to craft a detailed prompt. In the prompt section of the Grok app, input your creative vision. Type in something along the lines of, create a fantasy action scene of Barack Obama and Keanu Reeves wearing enchanted armor, fighting shadow creatures on a floating island. Animate sparks flying from their swords. Feel free to adjust the prompt as you see fit, but remember, clarity and detail are key to getting the best results. Once your prompt is all set, it's time to bring it to life. Click on the Submit button and let Grok work its magic. The app will process your request, and in no time, you'll have a unique and dynamic image or animation that perfectly matches your creative vision. And that's it. Within just a few clicks and a little imagination, you've used the Grok app to create a dazzling visual masterpiece. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to explore different prompts and features to fully harness the power of this incredible tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to generate and animate images with Grok. Happy creating!